Now next is the tables, the ratios tables. So let's take it. Find sine 57 degree and tan 19 degree from the table. So the table will be given in most questions or for most exams. All exams they'll be given. They won't just give find this degree when you don't even know what this degree is even equal to for this tan sine. So thankfully you'll be safe and they'll give that table for you. So you don't have to worry. If this is not there, then you will die, of course. So the table here for sine 57 degree. Oh, where is it? Okay, now sine 57 degree is equal to 0.8387. That is sine, okay? And for the tan 90 degree, it is 0.343. Okay? So they'll give this which all angles will be given as well the sine, cos, tan and others. So you will not have to worry, they'll be given. And using that you will have to solve the problems. So again we are back to the relationship, but this time it's not the trigonometry. This time it's Pythagoras' relationship. We are learning finally the one who gave us the Pythagoras theorem's relationship. I don't mean his love life or anything, okay? I meant his maths relationship. The Pythagoras theorem and the Pythagoras itself. What I meant is the one who find out Pythagoras and the theorem, their relationship I'm going to talk about, okay? Not Pythagoras' love life. His true love life was actually this theorem. Right, so here we go this. Okay. So his relationships. Okay, there's a S. So in this, as I told in the previous question, what did you find? A square plus B square is equal to C square. So in this, what if you are told to prove this two ratios is equal to 1? So some ratio, you have to, the product of those ratios has to be equal to 1. So how do you prove that? Using this theorem, Pythagoras theorem. What is their relationship? What is Pythagoras theorem's relationship with the trigonometric relation? Okay. The ratio. What is their connection? What is their marriage connection? Their love connection? What is their connection? That we're going to find out. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. So what if you divided all of the a square, b square, c square by by c square itself? What if you divide it? A square by c square will be that much, b square by c square will be that much, equal to c square by c square, which is obviously 1, right? Cut the whole thing with 1. So this a square by c square plus b square by c square is equal to 1. But now put the squares up. How? A square by c square is equal to a by c whole square. Same with the other one, b by c whole square. So now you found this a by c and b by c. Doesn't ring a bell to you? We just literally learned this 2 minutes or 3 minutes ago. But you learned it now, all the ratios. You're telling me you haven't found the ratios, the connection? Which world are you guys? Have you found the relation between them? The relation is between the ratios only. A by C, doesn't it ring a bell? Wish I could come there and bang your head so I could get the information. Sine A is equal to what? A by C. And B by C? What is B by C? I can't hear you. Cos A. But you forgot, there's a square. So how do you solve it? Cos square A. Other one? Sin square A. So it's not actually the product of the question, okay? It's the sum. So they asked you the sum of these sum ratios is equal to 1. So this sum, we've proved it, right? Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So we finally found their marriage love, their secret relationship between these two guys. So you found their relation. Let's do some problems, shall we? So the first example, give the value for each trigonometric functions for angle B. Find the length of sides A and B to the nearest whole unit. So you are given the triangle here. BC is equal to A, AC equal to B, and AB is equal to C, which is 120. And the angle for A is 50 degree, and as usual C is 90 degree. So A and B is not given, but C is given, which is 120. Angle A is equal to 50, angle B unknown, and angle C obviously since it's a 90 degree angle, it will be 90, right? So how do you find angle B? Let's first find the angles first. So angle B is equal to what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, right? We already found what is A and C, right? Angle B is equal to 180 minus those two angles, which will be 40 degree. 180 minus 50 plus 90 by 40. What is 50 plus 90? 140, right? So 180 minus 140, 40, right? So you found the B angle. Now the sine B. Here they ask you to find all the angles relating to BB. So this B. How do you solve it? Sine B, the table is given to you, okay? So the sine B here, I'm just going to tell the angles. Sine B is equal to 0.6428 since B is equal to 40 degree. So sine 40 is equal to 0.6428. Cos 40 is 0.760. Tan 40 is 0.8391, and sec B is definitely unknown. See, this decimal makes me in my bottom. Yeah. So here it's given you have to find the sec B. So how do you find the sec B? Sec B is equal to 1 by cos B, right? As we found out. So this 1 by cos B, the cos B is given. So 1 by 0.7660. So sec B is equal to what? You tell me. What's it equal to? Solve it. You can pause the video and solve it, you know. Pause. You solved it? Hello? Okay, I think you solved it. Fine, I'm continuing. So it's equal to 1.3055. You get it? 1.3055. Hope you got it correct. Otherwise, I'll come there right in your cosine. Okay, so you got the sec B. Now, what is cos sec B? Cos sec B is equal to 1 by sine B, no? So 1 by 0.6428. Solve this also. Hello, time's ticking. Time's ticking. I think you got the answer, no? Answer or not, I'm saying anyway. Okay, 1 by sine B, 1 by 0.6428 is equal to 1.5557. 3 5s, okay? Then the 7. 1.5557. Now, what is the cot? Now it tanned the cot, right? What is the cot now? What is the cot B? Cot B is equal to 1 by tan B, right? So it will be 1 by 0.8391, which will be equal to, I'm not going to let you solve it because you will take too much time. No offense. So it will be 1.1918. What's in the table? Yeah. So sin B is equal to B by C, and cos B is equal to A by C, as you already know. So what did we find for sin B? It is 0.6428. Now we are substituting with c, right? So b by c, which is b by 120. So if you substitute them, or you put all that 120 to the other side, then b is equal to 120 into the 0.6428. So there will be 77.136. And b, if you want to make it smaller, you can put it 77, which will be the nearest whole unit for 77.136. Besides, piece of advice, don't use the decimals too much, because this decimals will definitely make your mind, not cuckoo, you'll go dizzy. So, best advice, don't use the decimals too much. Because last time I tried to do a decimal, it leads to this much, to finding one goddamn answer. Okay, the fraction is there. I thought, okay, I should try putting decimal. When I did that, it took me 1 hour, I guess. That much to solve one division, and because so many decimal numbers, I thought at least make the remainder into 0. That almost made me faint. So I don't want you guys to faint, otherwise you'll be landing in the floor or something. And of course I think they'll have to do CPR, which you definitely don't want. Okay, because mouth to mouth is there. You definitely do not want to lose your... Why am I stuck in biology? Let's get to the maths. So we got the B. Now what's the A? So cos B. Cos B is equal to 1.1918. So, and it's equal to A by C, right? So let's substitute the C, 120. So A is equal to 120 into 0.7660. Okay, we're just putting that way. So that A is equal to 120 into 0.1 this 7600 660, yeah. If you multiply them, what will you get? The most probable number you will get is 91.92. But to put it more simpler, without the decimals, just put an extra 1 in the 91. You get a 90. Besides, sometimes decimals can be your most horrible and worst nightmare. No offense to the guy who made the decimals. Now, there's more relations coming. It's not over. So, we're gonna end with this too, okay? Then maybe the next video I'll start with more relationships. No matter how you like it or not, I'm definitely going to put that relationship. Now let's focus on this two relation. As I said, the Pythagoras theorem's relation, his relationship, we divided them by the c square. The c square's twin. We divided them up. Now, what if we were to divide the other sides by their twins? A square plus b square is equal to c square. Now, instead of the c square's twin, put with the b square's twin. B square will be 1, but a square and c square will be a by b whole square, c by b whole square. Does it sound familiar to you? Don't tell me it doesn't, otherwise I'll come there. So it is tan square a plus 1 is equal to 6 square. Sorry. 6 square a. And if you were to divide by a square instead of the b square, you get 1 plus cot square a equal to cosec square a. So finally we're ending those relations for now. We are just finished for now, but the upcoming more relations are coming. And of course, yes, I should be talking about these relations in biology, but of course it can be interconnected. Physics is there in chemistry, chemistry is there in physics, chemistry is there in biology, biology is there in both physics and chemistry. No matter how you go, it will always come. So maths has physics, Physics, chemistry, biology has maths. So even though I'm talking a bit of the biology, it will never be enough. Because science, maths, so more is there upcoming. Will never be enough. No matter how you can run, but you can't hide. Right? Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like and comment me and tell the answers.